This foot is used to add a seam finish at the edge of the seam allowance. It can also be used to sew a seam while at the same time sewing an edge finish. The overcast foot has a small bridge or prong within the stitching area of the foot, which allows more thread into the stitch. There is also an extension at the front for guiding the edge of the fabric for sewing seams or seam finishes. To sew a seam finish, guide the fabric along the extension at the front of the foot so that the right side of the needle goes just off the raw edge of the fabric. You can use a zigzag, multi-stitch zigzag, or an over edge stitch. Sewing seam finishes is easier if done before sewing the seam itself. When the sewing is completed, the stitches of fabric will lay smoothly. Press when finished. To sew a seam and seam finish simultaneously, set the machine for an over edge or slant over edge stitch. Place the two fabrics right sides together under the presser foot with the raw edges lined up with the guide that extends to the front of the foot. Sew the seam. You can also attach ribbing to cuffs, sleeves, and neck edges. Align the raw edges of the ribbing with the raw edge of the main fabric. Place them together along the edge of the presser foot. Stitch using an over edge or slant over edge stitch. Simply stretch the rib as you sew.